Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that Nifty has closed at the mark of 14,372 with a marginal weekly loss of 60 points, or in terms of percentage if we talk, it was a negative 0.42%. Now in the current week we have seen that the market has established once again a new lifetime high at the mark of 14,753 and reacted sharply on the downside, specifically in the last 2 days of the week, and closed at the mark of 14,372. There is no doubt that the broader indices higher top, higher bottom structure is very much intact. However, the Nifty was unable to sustain itself on the higher level, and it has been continuously forming doji candlestick pattern at a higher level for last couple of weeks, specifically on weekly charts, which shows that market is facing some kind of selling pressure at higher levels. From technical indicators point of view, daily momentum indicators are giving bearish diversion at overbought level, which shows that markets is losing its positive shine momentum for the time being. Now, in terms of support and resistance, if the broader indices breaches the crucial support zone of 14,222 level, which is the immediate swing low, then we may see some amount of correction extending in the market, which can drag down Nifty up to 13,942 or even 13,751. Talking about the resistance point, on the higher side, the broader indices is facing major supply around 14,753, which is its recent all-time high, and above that at 14,893. Regarding strategy, what to do? Since the larger degree trend is on the upside and the higher top, higher bottom structure is intact, one can buy at support level with a strict stop loss. Positional traders as well as short-term traders should keep a strict stop loss of 14,222 for their all existing long positions, or in case if they are going to take a new fresh positions. We have identified two stocks on the positive side which has the potential to outperform the broader market in the coming week. One is BEL BAIL Limited, also known as Bharat Electronics Limited. The current market price is 132.35. One can buy on minor dip around 130, the stop loss placing at 126, and this stock has the potential to move up to the mark of 141. Another counter which seems to be on the positive side is ONGC Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Limited, currently trading at 92.75. One can buy on minor dip around 92 rupees mark with a stop loss placing at 86. This stock has an upside potential up to 102. So that's it for the next week. We'll see you on next Friday. Thank you very much.